See that this is one macroscopic model, so you can see things very big. There are multiple layers over here. This part is the real skin, alright, real skin. It has got two layers. This part in between these two fingers, this is called dermis, and the upper one, this is the thinner one, this is called the epidermis, alright, epidermis. Actually, this is the epidermis, the whole thing, and the part afterwards, this is the dermis. Dermis is the skin, part of the skin, which is made of connective tissue, and it remains after processing. So the leather bags, leather shoes, everything is made of this dermis. Epidermis, which is keratinized, this is keratin, dead layers of cells, stratified squamous epithelium, and this is held together with the dermis by this kind of projections called dermal papilla, finger-like projections, dermal papilla. So you cannot really strip off the epidermis from the dermis because of this kind of things. All right. So this is stratified squamous epithelium, and this is the keratin on top of this. All right. Now about inner things. These highly coiled things, all right, highly coiled things independent of hair follicles, these are called sweat glands. All right, sweat glands. They form sweat, and the glands incorporated with the hair follicles, these are called sebaceous glands. All right, sebaceous glands and sweat glands. They produce sebum. All right, produce sebum, something oily. Hair follicles, they have got some small muscles connected to them. Right here you can see one, right here you can see one. So these are called arrector pili muscles, and they are smooth muscles. They are going to give you something called goosebumps. All right? This part is called hypodermis. Yes, it is with the skin, but this is not the part of skin. It has got another name called superficial fascia. All right, superficial fascia. This is mainly made of fat, so you can see fat globules, adipose tissue over there, and there are some nerve endings. You can see this is called Meissner's corpuscle, but if you just can identify this is one nerve ending, one receptor, that will be okay. There are some other nerve receptors over here, over there, over there, over there, lots and lots of nerve receptors are there, so making the skin very sensate. All right, so this is all. Now let's try to see the bone model. All right, this is one compact bone model. How do I know that thing? Because we have got some geometrical structures here and there. This is like your telescopic antenna. All right, you pull that thing out. So these circular things, one after another, layers like onion rings. These are like this. These circular things are called units of compact bone. They have got names. You can either call them osteons or you can call it Haversian system. All right. So these are Haversian systems, unit of compact bone. All right. Units of compact bone. These are lamellas, as you can see. These are layers after layers, and these are called circular lamellas because they are concentric. They are also called concentric lamellas as well. They are forming the osteon, individual osteon. But in the outer skirt of the bone, you get some lamellas surrounding the whole bone. You call them circumferential lamellas. These are called circumferential lamellas. Some of those things are popping out. They are trying to show you their structure. So this is like this. Here and there you can see some spores. You can see some spores, right? You know that those spores, we call them lacunas, and within the lacunas we get osteocytes staying over there. They are matured bone cells, but they're still alive doing their job. At the central part of each of the Haversian systems, we have got blood vessels and nerves, and this is called central canal. So those holes you can see, those tiny, tiny holes, those are called central canals, all right? There are blood vessels. As you can see, there are many blood vessels, and there are some transverse communication in between the blood vessels. And those are called Volkmann's canal, all right? Volkmann's canal. So this is one, this is another one, Volkmann's canal. All right. If you consider this is one only portion of a long bone, like small pie, right? Portion of a pie. So you see, this is the medullary cavity. So here you will find something called endosteum, all right? Endosteum lining the medullary cavity. Inside, you know that we have got yellow bone marrow over there. Here in the outer part, all right, in the outer part, we have got something called periosteum. If it is endosteum, it is called periosteum. It is much stronger, much thicker than this one. Yeah, it should be because it's covering the bone from outside. You cannot really strip this thing off because it is connected to the real bone with some fibers. You can see the fibers. These fibers are called Sharpey's fibers. All right, Sharpey's fibers. With those fibers, we have got the periosteum connected to the bone. Do we have the slides over here? Chris. Oh, slides.